Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Little short video. Somebody was trying to watch my video about the envelope tool that I probably did a long time ago, and they can't get it to work with the shift tool like I do. So if they grab it and they hold down the shift key, it doesn't do it. It doesn't go from both directions. Well, the key is right here. This is unconstrained mode. So you either go to straight line mode, single arc, or double arc mode, and hold down. I'm going to deselect that. I'm going to hold down the shift key, and you can see you get a double arc mode. If we back up, and I like using the single arc mode, but I'm holding down the shift key, and what that does, that allows it to grow both directions at the same time. Now you can do it without, but it doesn't do it as nice. So that's the key right there. When you're using that tool, you've got to uncheck this one and go to one of these three. Anyway, hope that at least answered their question, and thank you for watching.